I'm in the kitchen and I saw this little birdie outside in the backyard. His beak is like an orange color. He's really tiny. See, he's right there. I gotta pick up them damn twigs. It's cute. I love to bird watch. There's always birds out there and squirrels running around. There's a lot of redbirds around here. Redbirds are lucky. When you see a redbird, it's just luck. That's what it means. He is cute, but he's not walking around. Oh, he's hopping. Look, he's hopping. He's like, ooh, there's some more food right here. How about right here? I see some over there. I don't want to walk over there. Somebody's watching me. Is somebody watching me? Oh no, what's that noise? Someone's watching me. Well, I'll just continue to eat. He is cute though.